Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Yukon. Peace of mind comes standard with GMC's 100,000-mile, 5-year powertrain warranty and Yukon's 5-star frontal crash test rating. Boasting a Vortec 5.3-liter V8 with active fuel management, flex fuel, Yukon is agile and capable and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, electronic stability control, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, power sunroof, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.